Hello students, our today's topic of discussion is EVS 1 and we are going to study chapter 17 Clothes Our Necessity. So let's get started with the lesson. First we are going to learn important textile industries in Maharashtra. We obtained information about the textile industries centers by either practically visiting the place and asking questions or through the maps. Now, let us see examples of the textiles that are the specialities of Maharashtra like the Paithani of Paithan and Yola, Himru shawls from Aurangabad, bed sheets and bedspreads from Solapur, handlooms and powerloom cloth from Ichakaranji. Here are some examples of saris. Paithani saris, Himru shawls, bed sheets, handlooms. On the screen is the map of Maharashtra. In the index you all can see the signs and places. For example, bed sheets from Solapur, Himru shawls, Yola saris, Paithani saris of Paithan, etc. Do you know Lucknowi chicken, Kashmiri silk, Banarasi silk, Kadiyal, Pitambari, Pochampali, Narayanpet, Kanjivaram, Patola, Mysore silk are some examples of types of saris. These saris from different parts of India showcase the diversity of our country. Thus, we note that varieties of fabrics and customs have come into use due to the diverse the climatic condition in different parts of the countries. With better transport facilities, they have become available in all places. This diversity in clothes is a part of the diversity in our country. Do you know, during the evolution of man, his body went through many changes. One of the changes was the reduction in the amount of the body hair. As a result, he began to need protection from the elements in certain weather conditions. We see a variety in the clothes used through the ages. In prehistoric times, man did not wear clothes. Later, he began using the bark and leaves of trees. After that, he began to hunt and used the skins of the animals he had killed. After he learned to make yarn from materials like cotton wool, he began to use cotton cloth in the variety of ways. Always remember, nature has given us enough to fulfill everyone's needs. However, nature cannot quench man's greed. Man must give priority to his needs and not desires. Only then will nature be able to take care of us all. Do you know? Mumbai was famous worldwide for its textile mills. The humid climate on the island facilitates the manufacture of long thread for making cloth. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. The flourishing cloth industry attracted workers from all over the country who came and settled here. From then on, Mumbai became an independent hub for financial activity in India. So, what we have learned? Wanting needs you do not need is desire, not necessity. We must use things only as we need them. Several regions in our country have a tradition of producing fabric characteristic of the place. We learnt about the diversity in clothing in our country with the help of maps. So, here we end with our today's EVS1 session. We'll meet in our next session.